All right, here we got the pump panel for the Pierce engine 202, and we're going to continue on with the foam training. First step is knowing which hand lines you can utilize the foam system out of. You notice right here we have our foam controls, and then the 3 valves next to it all have a red label on the left side that says water and foam. As you can see, that is your front discharge and your number 1 and your number 2 crosslay. So first step is picking the correct hand line. Once that is pulled and flaked, you can come over here and you could set your pressure and you can get your water coming out. Then you simply come to your foam control, turn it on, set your percentage up or down, and you have foam. And it's that simple. Now, as far as getting foam into the system, there's an onboard tank, and you can come down here next to your master intake, and when you're pulling from the tank, which we should if we're keeping it full, you keep this down. If you do run out and you need more, we can get 5-gallon buckets to the scene. You unscrew this and we have a big tube that comes out, and you can drop it right in a 5-gallon bucket. And to get this to pull, you simply take this from the tank position and slide it up to the draft position. Now you're pulling your foam solution directly from a 5-gallon bucket sitting next to the rig. The other nice feature that this engine has is in our other rigs, you have to carry the 5-gallon buckets of foam up to the top and dump the foam in. With this rig, again, you have the tube coming off of here in your 5-gallon bucket. You put this up into the draft position and then come back over here. And again, here's the top of the panel where we have our foam control, and you just look directly down and there's this door that opens and closes. Now, if you look in the back, you see this quarter turn valve with the yellow handle on it. And like most of the stuff we have, you don't need to memorize all this. It's good to have an idea, but there's always labels. Right on the door here, you can see when you want to flow foam in the draft position, you keep it just how it is right now. And to use that tube to fill the tank, which would eliminate us having to carry those 5-gallon buckets up to the top of the rig, you put that other valve in the draft position, which is up, and then you come over here and you pull this quarter turn up, and now you turn your on button and it'll be pulling from a 5-gallon bucket sitting here in through this orifice, through this valve, and up into the tank. And then as soon as you're done filling, you simply turn that pump off, return this back to the horizontal position so you're ready to disperse foam again, and then keep this in the lower tank position.